Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to play with the new Colourpop X ILUVSARAHI through my eyes palette. And before I apply any eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply a base onto my eyelids. The first eyeshadow I'm going to use is called Euphoric, and it's a beautiful orange shade. I'm trying a little bit of a different technique today with my eyeshadows, so I'm just going to press this into the crease and the outer corners. And then once I have the color intensity that I want, I'm going to wipe the brush off a little bit and then blend out the edges so that there's a soft transition. Next I'm going in with a yellow shade from the palette called Wild Soul, and I'm applying this very lightly with the blending brush into the crease to blend out the orange. Now to darken the crease and the outer corners, I'm going to mix the shades Missbehave and Divina. I'm applying this into the lower part of my crease using a pencil brush, and then I'm blending it out so that it fades into the orange. We're using a lot of different colors for today's look, so definitely take your time and make sure that everything is nice and blended. For this look, I really wanted to do a cut crease. So now I'm going to use the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in the shade 94 to carve out the crease, and then I'm also blending it down onto the eyelid. Now for the outer corners of the lid, I'm gonna apply this beautiful metallic emerald shade called Emerald Green, and I'm just applying it using a flat eyeshadow brush and patting motions. Then for the inner part of the lid, I'm going to apply the shade Muse, which is a metallic bronze shade with a little bit of glitter. Then I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. I felt like something was missing in the outer corners, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Moody and blend the metallic emerald shade with the eggplant purple in the outer corners using a pencil brush. Now that I'm happy with the eyeshadow on the lid, I'm going to move on to the lower lash line and apply the shades Euphoric and Wild Soul. And then I'm also adding a little bit of the shade Missbehave into the outer corners. Last but not least, I'm going to highlight my inner corners using the shade Lucido. Next, I'm going to apply the Fenty Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black and line my lash line. I really wanted this look to be all about the shadows, so I'm keeping it as thin as I possibly can. For my waterline, I'm applying the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Orange Crush. To finish off this eye look, I'm just going to apply mascara and my Russian Blue lashes from Feline Lashes. Now for the cheeks, I'm going to apply the blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Peachy Love, and I just like to mix all of the shades. Next, I'm gonna go in with my new favorite highlighter, and it is the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer in the shade Guilty. That's a long name for a highlighter. For lips, I'm first going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Peachy, and then I'm adding the Colourpop lippy pencil in the shade 951 and the Ultra Glossy Lip from the Through My Eyes collection. And that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!